We decided that that sound isn't good sound.
А, так у тебя пиздец просто звезде вот этой.
Ай, delete.
We have news for you.
Right. So we decided that that sound isn't good sound.
Yeah,
That's-
and maybe not for 700 more kilometers.
Yeah, because it's really not good. So we called a couple of mechanics in the nearby I don't know how to spell that name, but basically it's a bigger city of 400,000 people. They have a couple of mechanics that are still working on a Saturday.
Yes, in the evening, and we're going to Vlad Performance Service. So if we'll be missing, yeah, like this video will be uploaded, but we're missing Vlad Performance Service, then you should start looking first.
Yeah, if you will be searching for us. Right, so we're planning to go there. It's about 30 minutes of a ride, so we'll try to be very careful to go to that service and see what the guy tells. Maybe he can fix just in 5 minutes, and maybe we will leave the motorcycles to him and then continue our journey in other ways.
Yes, in other ways.
I have no idea how we're gonna make another 700 or 800 kilometers to Groningen, but we will somehow.
Yeah, sounds like adventures. Let's go.
Sounds like usual stuff, you know? God damn it.
God damn it.
Well, when she wrapped her loving arms around my neck on the dance floor at Chelsea's bar, I should have turned her away, but I was out of sync. I was firing, she was gasoline. But we were both sad and lonely after what death had done. But like rattlesnakes kicked across the ground.
Так, вчера едем,
Хорошо.
и тут звук начался. И передняя звезда, ну как бы ходит.
Болтает.
Да. Тогда нам сделали, ну там деревня, прихимичили такую, и мы думали до Голландии доедем. Но сейчас как бы опять звук тот, и уже боимся ехать. Так тут эти, ну, 3 снимается, там видно.
Я знаю, да. Давай подкати его вот сюда.
Хорошо. А там? А я свой тогда там, наверное, да, ну-ка.
Сколько? 750?
Да. Ну да, чуть-чуть только страшно, старые. Еду, не знаю, вот и тут, конечно,
А, так у тебя пиздец просто звезде вот этой. Видишь, там шлицы съеденные внутри.
Ага, да.
Ее надо звездочку заказывать. Ну, то есть другую.
но этот, как он называется, самый хороший, ну,
Вот этот вал,
Да.
ну, ты видишь? Да. Вот, видишь, шлицы на валу есть. А на звездочке, видишь, там уже такие полукруглые они. А мотоцикл тяжелый, ты ему еще газу даешь, а оно просто проворачивается.
Мгм.
Вот этот валик крутит заднее колесо твое. Всё. То есть тут усилие очень большое. То есть тут надо просто заказать новую звезду и все. Посчитать зубы какие и количество шлицов, заказать звезду, да и все дела.
ну, не доедет.
Это стопудово.
Понял. Ну хорошо, что мы здесь
То,
доедали.
что они вот это вот,
Телефон, наверное.
да, то, что они вот это вот поставили,
Ага,
это
да.
всё глубоко до сраки.
Да.
Ну, вчера как бы...
Это просто вот вместе со звездой оно вылазило. И вот звезду надо и вот такую вот штучку заказать. Тоже
Ага.
фиксатор. Ты видишь, вот он съеденный.
Да, да, да.
А он должен на зубы и проворачиваться, и он должен стоять вот в этом месте. Вот.
Угу.
Вот так вот.
Да,
Вот
понял.
Вообще-то живет. Так что такое.
Так тут все равно, наверное, ну, как бы понедельник тоже не будет.
Нет, это будет среда-четверг.
Так тогда, наверное, нам надо вам тут оставить двое мотоциклы, и через неделю мы приедем, возьмем.
И заберете готовые.
Да, вам
Да.
можем, ну, денег оставить на запчасти, если надо.
Ну, естественно, по-любому, потому что я за свои деньги запчасти не покупаю.
Ну да, конечно, оставим.
Нет смысла. Ну, что она вообще, оно на шлицах не держится вообще. Хорошо, я сейчас понаживляю вот это вот все. Нахуй менять эту
Хорошо,
херь
тогда нам надо план, что делать.
Вы уже там себе смотрите,
Да.
как вот что делать.
Ну, мы тут можем оставить и мотоциклы, и, в принципе, эту одежду. Потому что уйдем там и пешком.
Ну, как хотите. Да.
Везем рюкзаки,
Ага.
компьютеры,
Да.
ту одежду простую.
Да.
И пойдем.
Ну хорошо, подумаем так.
So, motorcycle live here because we cannot go anywhere.
Yeah, I think it will be audible, so we will just put subtitles what happened. But basically, the front spark is fucked up real bad, and we are lucky that we came here and the
Yeah.
guy is still working.
Yeah.
Right. So I would say we should check the buses as fast as possible,
yes.
and car rental maybe.
I know how about you. Imagine how much it will cost to go to the Holland for a week and come back. It's like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of euro.
Yeah, well, okay, then let's check the buses then now. And any other convenient transport, and we need to check which time they're leaving, so maybe we'll stay for the night.
All right.
Right, so my bike finally broke down. Basically the front... What's that part called?
Sprocket.
Sprocket, yeah, so it got fucked up and we found a city, bigger city, Szczecin, and one mechanic who is still working on Saturday evening. And he is willing to fix it, but we, yeah.
Nearby cemetery. There's cemetery.
Nearby cemetery. Yeah, we're lucky that we didn't end up the other side of this fence.
Yeah, it's a very good day.
Yeah, so eventually we talked with the guy and he will fix it, but we have to leave the motorcycles.
Yeah, because the parts and everything, so motorcycle will be ready only the middle of next week, and we should be in Holland. So we're
Yeah.
leaving here this motorcycle, and then we checked brake liquid, and my motorcycle's brake liquid is bad. So they will fix my motorcycle too, and we will back here in a week. And now we will by bus. We'll go to Holland.
Yeah, we got the tickets to the bus because we still have to go to the Holland. It's very important stuff there. And yeah, so we are going. The journey is becoming more interesting every hour.
Yes. Хорошо, спасибо. And там, хорошо.
Хорошо,
Спасибо. And we're using 360, so it should work. Yeah, and we don't know if GoPro footage will be saved because SD card is corrupt. So maybe we'll start this journey from now. Maybe we'll never see this video. Maybe everything is fine and you know about what we're talking. So yeah, that's the plan.
Yeah, that's the plan. So
Bus in 2 hours.
yeah, and we're planning to reach Holland even
Sooner.
Yeah, sooner than we expected. So the journey is going in an even better way than we expected.
Yeah. So let's
Right,
go.
let's
I
go.
think.
Вот.
Заблокировала дверь.
раз спасибо.
Спасибо.
До свидания.
До свидания. So, as they say, when the god closes the door, he opens the window. And our window today looks like that. So, the mechanic gave us a drive to... Yeah. So the mechanic drove us here to the pub, basically, which is very close to the bus station. What the hell? How are you boring?
I just
God
was
damn it.
filming. So.
Yeah. And yeah, so our motorcycles will be fixed in a week, and during that we have to travel to Berlin tonight. We're going to Berlin. I heard that they legalized cannabis recently.
Nice.
We will have around 1 hour and 30 minutes.
To figure out that.
Yeah, to
Enjoy the freedom.
to check if they really legalize that, and yeah, and then Holland, Groningen.
Yeah.
We will be by the morning in the 9 or thing.
Yeah, I need to try many things in Netherlands.
Yeah, like for example, university campus libraries.
Ta-da.
Of course. Right. And we are right now in a really cool restaurant, by the way. Ziemniak I Spolka.
Potatoes heaven.
Yeah, yeah.
No, not the name, but even potatoes is on the
yeah.
entrance.
They think that potato pancakes are Polish stuff, although everybody knows that it's purely Lithuanian. Totally. Right.
Yeah. So that's the plan. I will eat, and bus leaving in 1 hour, almost.
So yeah, 1 hour.
So I think it's good.
Yeah.
One beer, then we'll buy some supplies. Thank you.
Thanks.
Buy some supplies, and off we go.
Off we go.
Bus, we're in a bus now. In a bus to Berlin. You have something to add? To Berlin.
There will be plenty of daily stuff.
Yeah, well, you see, working on that.
Yeah. That's a post on our second day of moto journey throughout Europe.
Good. I was only thinking about doing that, and you're doing that.
Yeah.
But I want to write more like longer text, like with thoughts,
Wanna
But
write a book? You wanna write a book on 2 days of moto journey? When we
two
broke down?
parts of book, first day, first part, second day. So I think we have enough for a small novel, one
Well,
day,
they say you can write a book about each day of your life.
Yeah, especially of Disney and yesterday.
Right. So it's almost empty bus.
Yeah, totally.
It's quite comfy. At least for me. Planning to sleep.
No, I have so many questions and things to tell you. I'm waiting.
Okay, 5 more minutes.
All right. Welcome to Berlin. I think with tent we can put here.
Yeah, seems close to nature. Nice.
Yeah.
So we are at the central bus station. I think that building is a bus station.
Yes, probably yes.
And we are wondering where to find our next bus to Groningen, Netherlands.
And beer.
Ah, yes, we are. But yeah, let's then unite our powers and search together.
Let's do that. Yeah, so good morning. That was a hectic night, I would say.
Yeah, but I slept quite well in this bus. And yeah, it was quite a journey. We did about 700 kilometers.
No, much more.
Much
like
more?
our route was 700 kilometers, but this bus went through all kinds of cities, so it should like much more than 1,000, I think.
Well, what do I know? I was sleeping. So,
I slept a bit. I know we can go there.
look at this whole bunch of bicycles everywhere.
God damn it!
Everywhere. So this means only one thing.
We came to Netherlands.
Yeah, especially
We're looking for Richie Boots in Holland.
yeah. Definitely we came not to the Amsterdam this time, but to Groningen, the city of the university campus, full of students, full of young people and parties, hopefully. I don't know. So I came here for some university stuff. I need to work for a week, and you?
Holidays.
Holidays, yeah. So we are not sure. We are planning to give you maybe a couple of pics, couple of insights about the city throughout the days. You know, we have no idea how this video will look like, but yeah, Groningen will be a stop for a while until we continue our journey when our bikes will be fixed.
Yeah, so if you're watching this video, you know what happened. So we'll continue on our bikes. Today at night already we discussed some ideas where we can go with motorcycles because our plans changing. So maybe we'll go not south but north. So we'll
Don't
see.
spoil everything.
I said maybe they didn't know what,
Okay.
they didn't know anything. So yeah, and now we're here. So now it's going to be rest and eat coffee. We'll go to hotel, put the backpacks there. I know, walk around city. Probably we'll go to sleep at noon.
Did
and
you said eat coffee?
oh my god, I need to sleep.
Right. Well, here in Groningen, again in Netherlands, we might eat coffee, if you know what I mean. Let's go.
Let's go. We cannot enter. We cannot enter. I repeat, we cannot enter. See, there's an entrance. Looks like a shithole.
That's the content, right?
That's the one.
Right, so G is in the toilet, and me, I'm looking around the hotel. Although we are staying in a hostel, the cheap one, but the entrance is through this fancy, nice hotel with a red carpet. So we left our things and we are planning to go to explore the city.
Yo. So we did some planning about we cannot speak now, and now it's time for a workout. Doesn't matter that I slept 3 days ago last time.
Yeah, we found this nice free outdoor fitness gym, sort of. And since we are doing training every day, we should do a little bit of exercise.
But you know, it looks very dangerous, just concrete and metal and kind of sharp corners. I think there's no one training here because everyone is just injured.
I think it will be alright. We dealt with even, you know, the more dangerous and difficult machinery.
Yes, that's true. So yeah, we'll do workout and then that's it for today. We'll go to chill. Yeah, so basically it's going to be a chill week. I will take a chill pill and we'll be chill for a week. And
Netherlands type of chill. Well, I'm working in the university, so it will be hectic from morning till evening or sometimes even night.
but we've been brainstorming for 3 hours, something like that, without sleep, so that's even more important. So stay tuned because it's going to be interesting.
Yeah. I think so too. Cheers.